Welcome to the Standard 4 students. Welcome to you. Now we shall start. Chapter 5 of GK. Okay. Indian musical instruments. Page 9 and 10. Page 9 and 10. So now we'll start chapter 5 and chapter 6. First, chapter 5, musical instruments. Dash is played while singing. Yes, look at the book. Dash is played. Number 1. Dash is played while singing the religious songs. Kortal. Okay. Number 2. This bowl of water make music when struck माने एक हम जोरदार एक ऐसे करेंगे struck with the stick जल तरंग जल तरंग okay jal tarang. Then this instrument has more than 72 strings. 72 wires. That is santur. Dance is played at the Hindu wedding and other auspicious occasions. Dance is played. Sehnai. SHEHNAI. Sahanai. Okay. Then this is one of the oldest known instruments of India. That is Veena. Veena is the oldest known instruments of India. Then it is a clay pot, which is a drum in the Carnatic songs, Carnatic music. That is Ghatam. GHATAM. माटी पात्र. घटम. मिट्टी का बर्तन है. घटम. उसको बजाने से वो अच्छा साउंड निकलेगा. ओके. एंड another is the small two-side drum. डमरू. भोले बाबा का डमरू. DAMARU. Damru. Then dash is the largest drum. Largest drum is the Nagara. Nagara is the largest drum, and smallest drum is the Ghunguru, Damru. Then chapter 6. Chapter 6 is the India, our country. So turn out the page 10. India is also known by three names. India. That is Bharat, Hindustan, Aryabharat. Bharat, Hindustan and Aryabharat. Bharat, Hindustan, Aryabharat. Dash is the capital of India. New Delhi. Dash is the national song. Hey, that's the capital. Dash is the national song of India. National song, who can say? Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Dash is the national anthem of India. Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana मन, जनगण मन. Okay, dash is the Hindi language. Dash is the national language, Hindi. There are dash states, 29 states, 29 states and 7 union territories. Okay, 29 states and 7 union territories of India. Dash is the national animal, tiger. Tiger is the national animal. Okay. Then national flag is known as tricolor. National flag is known as tricolor. Tricolor. Then dash is the national flower, lotus. Lotus. Dash is the national bird of India, peacock. Peacock. Dash is the largest state. Dash is the largest state, Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Largest state, Goa is the smallest state. Goa is the smallest state. Dash and dash are the two island groups. In the book, गलत लिखा है. Andaman and Nicobar. No, Andaman Nicobar 1, Lakshadweep 1. Andaman Nicobar is the Bay of Bengal, and it is like the Bay of Bengal, India map. Bay of Bengal in the India map. There is Bay of Bengal in the Bay of Bengal side is the Andaman Nicobar, and the Arabian side Lakshadweep. So Andaman Nicobar, Andaman Nicobar, Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep. 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 Dash is the holiest river, Ganga. The river Ganga. Ganga river. Ganga river is the holiest river. Okay, remember this and write down in your assignment copy. Okay, it is the chapters 5 and 6 close. Then next class we will go to the next chapter. Okay, and there is a story. A milkmaid had been meadow to milk her cows. Okay, the one milkmaid is there. Her duty is to go to the market and sell the milk. While he was going one day, while he was going to the market, a daydream come into the mind. वो सोचने लगा, जाते वक्त सोचने लगा कि मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा, बेचते मिल्क बेचते मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा, मेरा बेटा आएगा, मामा उसको दो, मैं गुस्से से बोल दूंगा नहीं मैं नहीं दूंगा. ओके, गुस्से से जब वो उसको सिर का हिला दिया, उसके ऊपर था मिल्क on a pot, so that pot fell down on the ground and destroyed all the milk. Then he thought that what I have done, so moral is the don't count your chickens before they are hatched. अंडा को रखा है, वो कैसे होगा क्या होगा कोई बोल नहीं सकता, कितना चिकन निकलेगा कितना क्या होगा, उसको हैचिंग करने से पता चलेगा कौन क्या होगा. एक मिला पड़ेगा, एक रॉ होगा, एक रटन हो जाएगा. इसीलिए कि कोई बोल नहीं सकता क्या होगा आगे क्या होता है. So the lesson in the story is the don't count your chickens, okay, before they are hatched. Okay, understand all of you the story and the page 9, 10 and 11. Okay, this is all about the understand all of you. Thank you all of you. Thank you.